Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 lag and slow performance issues in just 5 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. Spend a few minutes following these steps, and you'll notice a significant improvement in your system's speed and performance. So let's get started. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. First, right-click on the Windows icon and select Settings. From the left menu, click on Privacy and Security. Under Windows Permissions and App Permissions, you'll see several options that run in the background and may slow down your PC. Click on Recommendations and Offers and turn off all the options there. Go back, then click on Speech and disable it. Do the same for inking and typing personalization, diagnostics and feedback, and activity history. Next, open Search Permissions. Turn off any additional unnecessary options you see. Then click on Searching Windows and disable Enhanced Indexing if it's enabled. Now scroll down to App Permissions. If you're not using features like location, camera, or microphone, turn them off. Also disable options like voice activation, notifications, account info, email, messaging, and other unused permissions. Next, go to Personalization from the left menu. Click on Colors. Scroll down and turn off transparency effects to reduce visual load and improve performance. Now press Windows Search, type system.cpl, and hit Enter. In the System Properties window, go to the Advanced tab. Under Performance, click Settings, select Adjust for Best Performance, then enable smooth edges of screen fonts and show thumbnails instead of icons. Click Apply and OK. Next, disable Startup Apps. Right-click the Windows icon and open Task Manager. Go to Startup Apps. Disable unnecessary third-party apps like Teams, OneDrive, Steam, Discord, Skype, etc. Finally, clean up unused programs. Press Windows Search, type appwiz.cpl, and hit Enter. Uninstall apps you don't need, especially ones running in the background like OneDrive if unused. Once you've completed all these steps, restart your computer. After restarting, you should notice a big improvement in performance and reduced lag on your Windows 11 system. That's it for today. Hopefully, this guide helped you speed up your PC. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.